Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will be comparing two amazing kitchen appliances, Instant Vortex 4-in-1 and Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven. If you're looking for versatile cooking options for your countertop, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Both appliances are versatile and can do a lot of cooking functions. Instant Vortex 4-in-1 can air fry, bake, roast, and reheat. Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven can operate as a microwave, air fryer, convection oven, broiler, defroster, and speedy combi. They both offer great options for cooking different types of meals. Instant Vortex 4-in-1 comes with even crisp technology that drives airflow top-down for a perfect golden crispy finish every time. Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven has inverter technology that allows more uniform distribution of heat in the cavity, provides even cooking and reheating. It also operates quietly, which is a big plus. Instant Vortex 4-in-1 provides one-touch customizable programs for wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and more. Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven has 11 auto menus, 10 air fry menus, and 6 defrost presets, making it easy for novices to create amazing recipes at home. Instant Vortex 4-in-1 requires little to no preheating time and can cook food from frozen to golden in minutes. Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven has a speedy combi mode that speeds up your cooking with combination of microwave, convection, and grill function. Both appliances can cook food fast, saving you a lot of time in the kitchen. Instant Vortex 4-in-1 has a non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray, which makes cleaning up easy. Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven also has a non-stick interior for effortless cleaning. Both appliances come with easy-to-clean features, which is a big plus for any kitchen. Instant Vortex 4-in-1 uses up to 60% less energy than traditional electric ovens, while Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven doesn't consume much electricity when compared to other microwave ovens. Both appliances are energy efficient and can save you money on your utility bills. So there you have it, folks. Both Instant Vortex 4-in-1 and Toshiba Inverter Microwave Oven are great appliances for your countertop. They both offer versatile cooking options, advanced technology, smart programs, fast preheating, energy efficiency, and easy cleaning features. It all comes down to personal preferences and cooking needs. Don't forget to comment and let us know which appliance you prefer. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on our next video.